So Vima, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right.
Okay, I'm gonna use you to teach the people how to do pull-ups. So the first exercise you're gonna do, like you've been doing for the time being now, is a dead hang, just dead hanging. So do it. Let's see.
10 seconds.
Yeah, how much you can do? So she's hanging for 10 seconds. Then once she starts, she's gonna leave it. So once beginners come to do pull-ups, they always like just going directly and doing the pull-ups. But as I showed Vima, she doesn't have to injure herself by forcing herself into it, but she just need to follow the progressions. Like the first progression is dead hanging, and she's just from dead hanging now. The second progression is gonna be, I think that's what you're gonna do next, Vima.
This one.
Negative pull-ups. Oh, scapula pull-ups. Yeah, we're gonna do that one. Now I wanna see you doing it. Have you rested enough? Because you need to rest enough.
Just two seconds. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Now do it. Let's go. Let's go. The reason why she's putting that, why are you putting that on your arms?
Because it's hurting my hands, my palms.
And it's very hot. The bars are obviously really hot now.
So we're gonna do the
scapula pull-ups. Yeah, just do it slowly. Take your leg off the floor, then just hang off the bar slightly. You're not going up, but you're just hanging off. You know, she's just moving her leg, her scapula just a bit. Because when it comes to doing pull-ups, you need to engage your scapula so you can do the pull-ups using your back instead of your arms. Is that enough so far? Okay. So you need to use your scapula. Use your scapula. Let me show you now. Vima, take the camera. So like I was saying, engaging your scapula is all about using your back to do the pull-up instead of using your arm. So when you engage your scapula, you have to go up like this and you do a pull-up, you know. But if you don't engage your scapula, you're just gonna go up. Then that's gonna use more of your forearm to do the pull-ups, so your back is not gonna get bigger. So just watch my back now. See my back, how I do this pull-up. So see how my scapula engages. Don't go far. So you engage your scapula and you go up. You see, engage your scapula, go up. But as time goes on, you're gonna get used to the movement. Like me now, you just go up. You know, I engage my scapula and go up. You know. So it's very important that you follow this progression, doing the scapula pull-ups like the one Vima was doing this, just practicing this movement, allowing your muscles to get used to it and build up to a point where you can actually do pull-ups, you know, just getting used to the scapula pull-ups, you know. Then this is the second exercise. You need to develop the strength. You need to start doing pull-ups. So yeah, Vima, let's get back to you. So this is Vima continuing to do the scapula pull-ups like I was explaining. So it's not really going really up, but it's just hanging off and putting your chin a bit up. Just releasing your back a bit, moving your back slightly. Then you get into the movement. It's a very good exercise when it comes to building up to doing pull-ups. So Vima, I think you rested enough now, and you can now move to the lower bar, which is you're gonna use to do the jumping pull-ups, which is like negative pull-ups. So it's very important to use a lower bar because there's less space for you to jump up and get to the bar. Then it's much easier now to come down instead of doing on a long bar where you just gonna have to jump much higher to keep the movement and coming down. But by the way, just see what's gonna happen now. Vima, start doing your reps. I think you rested enough, huh?
Yes, yeah.
You think that's gonna help?
Should help with the hand, my hand.
Okay, let's go. Jump, keep it, come down slowly, 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 slowly. Boom, that's good. Wow, that's one of the best reps I've seen you doing. Slowly, 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 you know. You're doing like the eccentric part of the motion. You jump up, keep it, pause, come down slowly, slowly, control it as you're going down. You don't really control when you go up because you're actually jumping. You failed that one, huh? Let's go at least the last one. But you don't really feel like you're stretching your body enough. It's always nice to work your muscles almost to a point of failure. Let's see you doing one more time at least.
Oh no, that's not the thing.
Keep it slowly, slowly, slowly. Try to balance your body to not be swinging. And that's it. Do it again, man. You must exhaust your muscles. Exhaust your muscles. Give it a try again. Give it a try again, Vima. Just try to hold it as much as you can.
1, 2.
Let's go. Yeah, slowly, 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 slowly. You see the way you're doing it shows you can still do more.
No.
It shows you can still do more. Let's see it. Let's see you do. You can still do more. I'm not joking.
That's yeah. You know, I'm feeling this thing is it's how do you call it? Slippery.
Oh, and it's also very hot.
When I do all this, I say I'm coming down a bit fast.
Now control it, man. You'll be able.
Okay, let me just try my hand. One time, and this is the last one.
3,
This is
2,
the last one,
1.
Whew.
Slowly, slowly. You see, you can do it. You see. You see. So you can still do another rep. Yeah, try it again, Juma. You can do it. Let's try another rep. Let's go, Vima. Come on. Slowly, 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 slowly. This is what it takes to do a pull-up. This is exactly what it takes to do a pull-up. Yeah. You can still do it to a point where you cannot hold anymore. You can still do it. Just doing it. Remember, you're gonna rest for like 2 days now. You're gonna rest for like 2 days. Let's go. Come on, Jima. Come on. We're walking until failure now.
1, 2.
Let's go. Pause. Then you calm down. Control it as you're going down, as you're always doing. Let's go. Pause. Control it as you go down. Control it. That's a pull-up. Let's go. Another one. Let's go, Vima. Come on. You're walking until failure. Remember. You're walking towards failure.
I'm dying now.
You're not dying. If you're dying, it's gonna show. You won't be able to even jump up. I know what this thing means. Just go. Let's go, Vima. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Slowly, slowly controlling. Now I can now say at least now. At least now. Yeah. But yeah, man. Now. So that was just my sister doing the pull-ups progressions that you need from a beginner. So there was dead hanging, there was some scapula pull-ups, and you just saw negative pull-ups. That's what this exercise I do every single day to strengthen my back and keep myself away from injury. Because if you don't do all these 3 progressions, even if you're a professional, I promise you, professionals and competitive athletes who compete with pull-ups still do these exercises. Because if you don't do them, your muscles never get, it's going to develop a rust. It's the same like not oiling a machine. So you need these progressions to strengthen and keep your muscles fired up as you go about your pull-up workouts. So I hope as a beginner watching this video, you get to learn and have a takeaway to start applying to your workouts, your next workouts. So good luck on your pull-up journey. I wish you all the best. My name is Junior, Coach Junior. Shalom.